How to block all Reddit email notifications. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. Here look for any updates that may be available for Reddit. Once you have done that, open Reddit app on your device. On Reddit, make sure you are logged in to your account. At the top right corner, click on your profile icon, and now a slide like this will appear from the right. At the bottom, select the option Settings. Now a menu like this will appear. At the top, click on your account to go to Account Settings. Inside Account Settings, select Manage Emails. On this interface, you can see all the email notifications that you are receiving. If you want to stop that, then enable the last option, Unsubscribe from all emails. This way, all the other options will be disabled. Now go to Notifications option. You can turn off all the notifications that are not important to you. To do that, click on All On and select Inbox. That's all for today. Thank you.